Hello and welcome to this Transforming Learning Fife pedagogy video on questioning, where we'll be looking at Microsoft Whiteboard and how it can be used for questioning in the main body of your lesson in a collaborative sense so students can work together. So first thing that will need to happen with Microsoft Whiteboard is you'll need to download the app. So if you go to your Jamf teacher app, or students can go to their Jamf student app, go in, click on My Resources and then scroll down till you find Microsoft Whiteboard and then click Get, and that will download. Once downloaded, if you click on the app and sign in with your Glow credentials. So click Unlock, and it is my Glow credentials that I'm going to be signing in with. You'll then be taken to this page, your landing page, which has all your other whiteboards that you have done, if you've done any, and if we are creating a new one, we just click New Whiteboard. So on my whiteboard, it's an infinite board. Here you can kind of zoom in and zoom out. You can see there's lots and lots of space on it. I have typed in some text there. This is the question that I want my students to work on, where they have to give information about a famous scientist they have found and what it was that they discovered. So I've posted the question to the students on the whiteboard, and then I need to share that with them. So if I click on share, what it will do is it will give me a link, and then I can go into here. I can make it that it's only people within Glow and they can edit it. When I click apply, I can copy that link, and that link can then be pasted into a Showbay class, could be pasted into a team for them, so that they can access the whiteboard if they have the app downloaded. So once you've shared that link out, it's live, and any changes that happen to the board will show up for the students as well. You can actually go on and you can edit the text, or you can change the colour of the text and so on. What you can then ask the students to do is down the bottom, you've got little different icons that they can use. They can add in images and so on and links. But if they go on and click on post-it notes, they can pick a note each and they can type in the name of their scientist. Our student has inputted their work onto the post-it note. They then just click a plus and it will appear there. And you can see it also has the name of the person who created the post-it note as well. You can actually make them bigger, you can make them smaller. So students can all have different coloured post-it notes. You can share this with a whole class, and each group could have their own coloured post-it note on there, or you could have them individually, maybe as a starter. You could also use it as a plenary at the end. You pose a question and the students answer that, and then you can go back in and look at any point. So if I go back to home, I can then go back in to all my whiteboards and it will appear here for you to just click on and go into at any time.